इंग्लिश तो बोलते हैं
Speak English.
जोर से बोलो
Speak English.
फिर मैं बोल रहा हूँ
I am speaking English.
तुम बोल रहे हो
You are speaking English.
क्वेश्चन करो
Are you speaking English?
यस
Yes, I am speaking English.
क्वेश्चन है
Are you speaking English?
नो
No, I am not speaking English.
बट
But he is speaking English.
क्वेश्चन करो
Is he speaking English?
जोर से
Is he speaking English?
यस
Yes, he is speaking English, but she is not speaking English.
तो मैं बोल चुका
I have spoken English.
तुम बोल चुके
You have spoken English.
क्वेश्चन करो
Have you spoken English?
यस
Yes, I have spoken English.
क्वेश्चन करो
Have you spoken English?
नो
No, I have not spoken English.
बट
But he has spoken English.
क्वेश्चन करो
Has he spoken English?
बोलूंगा
Just for a minute, yes. Have you spoken English?
यस
Yes, I have spoken English, but she has not spoken English.
सामने आ गया क्वेश्चन क्या था
Has he spoken English?
यस
Yes, he has spoken English, but she has not spoken English.
तो मैं बोलूंगा
I will speak English.
तुम बोलोगे
You